Now, innovations in the field of artificial intelligence continue to shape the future of humanity across nearly every industry. From healthcare to finance to transportation, AI is rapidly changing how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It's a revolution on par with the invention of the internet, if not more so. AI is already the main driver of emerging technologies like big data, robotics, and IoT, and generative AI has further expanded the possibilities and popularity of AI. We're seeing AI systems that can create art, write poetry, and even compose music. The potential applications of AI are truly limitless, and we're only just beginning to scratch the surface. With so many changes coming at such a rapid pace, here's what shifts in AI could mean for various industries and society at large. Let's be clear, AI is already automating jobs. About 55% of organizations have adopted AI to varying degrees, suggesting increased automation for many businesses in the near future. But this isn't some dystopian future where robots have taken over. It's about working smarter, not harder. Think about it. How much time do we waste on mundane, repetitive tasks? With the rise of chatbots and digital assistants, companies can rely on AI to handle simple conversations with customers and answer basic queries from employees. This frees up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. And it's not just about customer service. AI's ability to analyze massive amounts of data and convert its findings into convenient visual formats can also accelerate the decision-making process. Company leaders don't have to spend time passing through the data themselves, instead using instant insights to make informed decisions. Imagine being able to analyze market trends in real time or identify potential problems before they even occur. That's the power of AI. It's about giving businesses the tools they need to make better decisions faster. But what about the jobs that AI will inevitably displace? Well, that's where things get interesting, because while AI will undoubtedly automate some jobs, it will also create new ones. Think about the early days of the internet. No one could have predicted the rise of web developers, social media managers, or YouTubers. These jobs simply didn't exist before. The same thing will happen with AI. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it will create entirely new industries and job categories that we can't even imagine yet. So instead of fearing AI, we need to embrace it. We need to educate ourselves and our children about the potential of AI and the skills that will be needed to thrive in an AI-powered world, because the future belongs to those who are prepared for it. Business automation has naturally led to fears over job losses. In fact, employees believe almost 1/3 of their tasks could be performed by AI. And you know what? They're probably right, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. Think about the Industrial Revolution. The invention of machines led to widespread job displacement, but it also created a whole new world of possibilities. It ushered in an era of unprecedented economic growth and prosperity. The same thing will happen with AI. Yes, some jobs will be lost, but many more will be created. And the jobs that remain will be more interesting, challenging, and rewarding. Although AI has made gains in the workplace, it's had an unequal impact on different industries and professions. For example, manual jobs like secretaries are at risk of being automated, but the demand for other jobs like machine learning specialists and information security analysts has risen. The key is to be adaptable. We need to be willing to learn new skills and embrace new technologies. The jobs of the future will require a different skill set than the jobs of the past. Workers in more skilled or creative positions are more likely to have their jobs augmented by AI rather than be replaced. Imagine a world where doctors can use AI to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, or where architects can use AI to design buildings that are both beautiful and sustainable. Whether forcing employees to learn new tools or taking over their roles, AI is set to spur upskilling efforts at both the individual and company level. This is a good thing. A more skilled workforce is a more productive workforce. So let's not be afraid of change. Let's embrace the opportunities that AI presents and create a better future for ourselves and generations to come. Chapter 3, the Data Privacy Tightrope. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, data privacy. AI is powered by data, lots and lots of data, and that data has to come from somewhere. Companies require large volumes of data to train the models that power generative AI tools, and this process has come under intense scrutiny. We're talking about our personal information, our online behavior, our likes and dislikes. It's all up for grabs. Concerns over companies collecting consumers' personal data have led the FTC to open an investigation into whether OpenAI has negatively impacted consumers through its data collection methods after the company potentially violated European data protection laws. This is a big deal because if we're not careful, AI could lead to a surveillance state where our every move is tracked and monitored. But it doesn't have to be that way. We can have both innovation and privacy. We just need to be smart about it. In response, the Biden-Harris administration developed an AI Bill of Rights that lists data privacy as one of its core principles. Although this legislation doesn't carry much legal weight, it reflects the growing push to prioritize data privacy and compel AI companies to be more transparent and cautious about how they compile training data. We need to demand transparency from the companies that are collecting our data. We need to know how our data is being used and who has access to it, and we need to support regulations that protect our privacy without stifling innovation. It's a delicate balance, but it's one that we need to strike because in the age of AI, data is power, and we need to make sure that power is used responsibly. Chapter 4: The Regulatory Landscape of AI. Now, let's talk about the Wild West of AI regulation, or the lack thereof. Right now, there are very few laws governing the development and use of AI, and that's a problem. AI could shift the perspective on certain legal questions depending on how generative AI lawsuits unfold in 2024. For example, the issue of intellectual property has come to the forefront in light of copyright lawsuits filed against OpenAI by writers, musicians, and companies like the New York Times. These lawsuits affect how the US legal system interprets what is private and public property, and a loss could spell major setbacks for OpenAI and its competitors. We need to establish clear guidelines for how AI can be used, especially when it comes to sensitive areas like healthcare, finance, and criminal justice. We need to make sure that AI is used ethically and responsibly. Ethical issues that have surfaced in connection to generative AI have placed more pressure on the US government to take a stronger stance. The Biden-Harris administration has maintained its moderate position with its latest executive order, creating rough guidelines around data privacy, civil liberties, responsible AI, and other aspects of AI. However, the government could lean towards stricter regulations depending on changes in the political climate. This is a complex issue with no easy answers, but it's a conversation that we need to have because the future of AI depends on it. Chapter 5: AI and the Fate of Our Planet. Finally, let's talk about the biggest challenge of all: climate change. AI has the potential to both help and hurt our efforts to combat climate change. On a far grander scale, AI is poised to have a major effect on sustainability, climate change, and environmental issues. Optimists can view AI as a way to make supply chains more efficient, carrying out predictive maintenance and other procedures to reduce carbon emissions. On the one hand, AI can be used to develop more efficient energy grids, optimize transportation systems, and even create new materials that are more environmentally friendly. But there's a catch. AI is also incredibly energy intensive. Training a single AI model can consume as much energy as 5 cars do in their entire lifetimes. At the same time, AI could be seen as a key culprit in climate change. The energy and resources required to create and maintain AI models could raise carbon emissions by as much as 80%, dealing a devastating blow to any sustainability efforts within tech. So, while AI can be a powerful tool for good, it's important to be mindful of its environmental impact. Even if AI is applied to climate-conscious technology, the costs of building and training models could leave society in a worse environmental situation than before. We need to find ways to make AI more sustainable. We need to develop new algorithms that are less energy-intensive, and we need to invest in renewable energy sources to power our AI systems. The future of our planet may depend on it, because if we're not careful, AI could end up being the solution that creates a whole new set of problems. The AI revolution: a call to action. AI is transforming our world in unprecedented ways, but it also brings challenges that we must address. We've seen how AI can automate businesses, disrupt industries, and raise concerns about data privacy. We've explored the legal and ethical dilemmas AI poses and the potential impact on our climate. As we continue to innovate, it's crucial to consider the ethical, social, and environmental impacts of AI. We must ensure AI is used responsibly, ethically, and for the betterment of humanity. This requires open discussion, collaboration, and a willingness to adapt to this ever-evolving landscape. Stay informed and engaged as we navigate the future of artificial intelligence together. The AI revolution is not just about technological advancements, it's about shaping a future that benefits all of humanity. Let's step into this new era with open minds, thoughtful consideration, and a shared commitment to harnessing the power of AI for good.